Welcome to our channel. Western Union is one of the most widely available money transfer services globally. Here's how to send money quickly and securely. Step 1. Decide whether to send money online through the Western Union website or app or in person at an agent location. Online transfers offer convenience, while in-person may be necessary for large amounts or certain destinations. Step 2. If using the online service, create a Western Union account by providing your email, phone number, and personal information. Verify your identity by uploading a photo ID as required by regulations. Step 3. Enter the recipient's information including full name exactly as it appears on their ID, country, and how they want to receive the money. Options include bank deposit, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. Step 4. Specify the amount you want to send and choose your funding source. You can pay with a bank account, debit card, or credit card, each with different fees and processing times. Step 5. Review the exchange rate if sending to a different currency, total fees, and the amount the recipient will receive. Western Union provides a guaranteed exchange rate at the time of your transaction. Step 6. Complete the transaction and save your money transfer control number. This unique tracking number is essential for the recipient to collect the money and for you to track the transfer status. Step 7. Share the control number and any required information with the recipient. If they're picking up cash, remind them to bring valid identification that matches the name you entered. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.